How to fix issues with Facebook on My Shopify store. So, if you're facing issues connecting Facebook to Shopify, here's how to fix them quickly. Check Facebook and Shopify account setting. Ensure that you're using the same business email for Facebook and Shopify. Go to Meta Business Manager and verify that your store is linked. Confirm your Facebook page is published and not restricted. Step 2 is fixing Facebook sales channel connection. In Shopify, go to sales channels, then navigate to Facebook. Then click reconnect account and follow the prompts. Ensure that you have admin access to the Facebook Business Manager. Now, step 3 will be checking Facebook Commerce and Pixel issues. So, visit Facebook Commerce Manager and check for any account restrictions. Navigate to Shopify, navigate to Online Store. Then, under Preferences, you can check if your Facebook Pixel is active or not. Now, if Pixel isn't tracking, remove and reinstall it via Facebook Events Manager. Now, step 4 will be verifying domain and product syncing issues. Go to Facebook Business Manager, navigate to Brand Safety, then navigate to Domains and add your Shopify domain just right there. Then, if products aren't syncing, go to Shopify, then navigate to Facebook Sales Channels, then to Catalog and Resync. Now, step 5 will be clearing cache and trying again. So if none of the steps work, click on 3-dotted icon at the top right, click on Settings. Now, click on Privacy Search and Services, scroll down, click on Choose what to clear, click on Cookies and other site data and click on Clear Now. And that would instantly fix your problem. Now, if the issue persists, check Facebook Commerce Policies or contact Shopify support in order to get your problem fixed. So, these were the ways through which you can fix it. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.